Hi, good afternoon, and welcome to an update on migration. My name's Shannon, and I'm the Director and Senior Migration Agent at Education and Migration Services Australia. So today we wanted to talk to you and give you a little bit of update on the new 491 visa that's going to be introduced in November this year. Now, the 491 visa is going to be replacing the current 489 visa. So the 491 visa will be introduced later, I said, this year in November, but there are some other key dates that we wanted to highlight with you as well. So the first one of those key dates is the 10th of September. The 10th of September is the last day that state or territory governments will be able to nominate for invitations for the 489 visa. So that's a few months before the new 491 will be implemented. On the 15th of November, it'll be the last day for applicants who've been invited to apply for a 489 visa to lodge a subclass 489 visa. And on the 16th of November, that'll be the first day that intending applicants can lodge an expression of interest for the new 491 visa, and state and territory governments will be able to give invitations to apply after this date. So what is the new 491 visa? The new 491 visa, like I said, replaces the 489 visa, and it's designed to encourage more people to go to regional areas. Now, you need to be sponsored by a state or territory government or an eligible family member living in those regional areas. Now, the regional areas that they're considering for the 491 visa will be anywhere outside Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, Brisbane, or the Gold Coast. Okay. Now, with this new visa, it's going to be granted for a period of 5 years, and you will be eligible to apply for permanent residency after 3 years if you have met the requirements. So the requirements that you will need to meet is basically living and working in a regional area, earning above the minimum salary that they're going to allocate for a period of 3 years. And if you meet those requirements, you'll then be able to pathway to the 191 visa, which will be permanent residency. So these visas will be granted for a little bit longer than the 489. They'll be granted for 5 years, not 4. And you will have to extend that regional residency. Currently with the 489 visa, it's just 2 years. But with the 491 visa, it will be 3 years. So we'll have some more updates when you come about. But we thought this information was important, that if you do have the opportunity to apply for state sponsorship at the moment, for the 489 visa, it's really important that you get that expression of interest in and try and get that invitation from the state or territory government, because like I said earlier, they will only have until the 10th of September to give you that invitation, and then you'll have to make that application before the 15th of November. Thank you for your time and good luck in your process.